Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to MK Technical. So guys, today I will show you in iPhone double tap to screen wake. So you can see here, turn screen off and double tap to wake. So if you want to enable this option, so watch this video. I will show you how to enable this option. So you need to go your iPhone settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility menu. So click accessibility. So here you can see one option, touch. So click here and scroll down to see tap to wake option. So here is tap to wake option. This is of this option, so turn into on. So if you turn in on, so you can use double tap to wake. So if you have off this option, this feature is not working, and turn this option to use this feature. So you can see. So in this video I will show you how to enable double tap to wake screen. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.